Hello friends, and welcome back to another vlog. I am going to partake in what NuFace is calling the power of 5 on their Instagram feed. So this week I'm going to use my Trinity Facial Toning Device, my 2 boosters, which I absolutely love already. And I'm supposed to be reviewing, but you know, it's kind of hard to keep up with skincare when you're stressed out of your mind. And either one of these activators, depending on what it is that I want to follow my lifting routine with. So I think today we're gonna try the gel, because I do want to try the new Peter Thomas Roth exfoliating serum. And I think I'm going to, depending on how dry the skin feels, I might pair that with a new moisturizer, or I may just pair that with something that I already know and love. That way I can pinpoint any irritation if, you know, that happens the next day. I think that's what I'll do. So I'm going to start with just cleansed skin. I'm not going to tone. I am going to use both activators. I know Tara uses the entire pipette, so I'm gonna do half and half. And I love using both the peptide and the antioxidant booster. And I'm going to just work both of these into the palms of my hands and then just press it over the entire face. These are oil-free activators, or I'm sorry, serums that work with any activator or with your NuFace toning device. If you don't have one, you can use this as serum. It is oil-free, so if you perhaps lean on the more sensitive side, or I'm sorry, oily side, you want to give these a go just because. I'm going to start at the neck. I'm going to use the NuFace brush and apply, oh, am I running out? A wee bit here on the neck. It should be a mask-like layer so that you do not feel the current. If you do feel the current, apply just a little bit more of the activator here. And I am lifting at the 4th level, I believe. Did 3 passes here on the neck, then I will take a wee bit here on the face. What I do like to do is, just without it being on, I will distribute the gel with the globes here. And then we'll go ahead and start. Do the eye. Can you tell a difference here? This definitely looks more lifted to me. Love this machine. Do this side first so we can hopefully see a little bit of a difference. Okay, I can definitely tell a difference. Like this side, there's very minimal definition, and here, like you can see a little bit of definition here on that cheekbone. So love this machine. And we'll do the other side. I do like to apply the gel as I go. That way I don't use a ton of product. I do have the bad habit of just lifting the face and not lifting the neck. So hopefully this week, during this Power of 5 challenge, I don't forget the neck, because I used to not forget the neck, but now I'm like, forget the neck. Do you guys have any New Year's resolutions? I know it's kind of in not to have them, but I, for one, have been working out almost religiously for like the last year. So that's not one of my resolutions, really. My resolution, or at least one of them, is to listen to more music. And to watch the news less. To watch less drama content on the YouTubes. Like, I'll still watch my favorites: Deaf Noodles, Smoky Glow, and Peter Mon. And obviously, H3 is not drama, but it's still content. So I'll continue to watch those, but I definitely just want to be a little bit more mindful as to what I watch on the YouTubes, so that I can just listen to more music. And of course, limit my news consumption. I feel like for the vast majority of 2020, all I did was watch the news. Whether it was, on cable or, progressive channels here on the YouTube. So I want to stop doing that, just so that I can pay a little bit more attention to my mental health. I think this is my 4th. So that's one of my resolutions. I'd love to know at least one good habit that you're trying to do here or implement in the year 2021. And I feel like that's typically how I start my new year, but then something really bad happens. And then I'm like, okay, I have to keep up with the news for the rest of the year. So I don't want to do that to myself. It just really puts me in a bad mental space. And I don't want to be there anymore, So let's listen to more music. I do have Spotify, so I've been listening to the Aesthetic playlist, Dream Pop playlist, and I obviously have my own playlists. But those have been my favorite as of late. I think I'm losing count of how many passes I do per side. So I think that's 3. Let me know if you guys notice a difference. I always think that I do. My skin just looks so good right now. It's so hydrated. It has a very healthy glow. So I'll continue to do this for the next 5 days. Let me know if you guys see any visible results. Okay, so the peptide booster is formulated with NuFace triple peptide complex and botanical extracts to enhance microcurrent results. This is going to diminish the appearance of fine lines, refine and smooth skin's overall texture. It's going to improve hydration, firmness, and elasticity. The antioxidant booster defends your skin against 98% of oxidative stress caused by blue light and other environmental aggressors. This is going to revitalize skin and promote an even radiant tone. It's also going to promote improved firmness and elasticity for a youthful appearance. Welcome back to the vlog. I am going to close this vlog off by doing my final NuFace kind of challenge here on the YouTubes. I did miss one day. I was feeling like absolute garbage and I just could not put myself on camera. So I just skipped one day. Another day, I did my 5-minute lifting routine while watching Being the Ricardos in bed, which I tend to do the NuFace 5-minute lifting session as I watch Real Housewives, stuff like that. So I, poor lighting, could not film it. So I do have a couple of clips that I showed you all before this final clip here. I just washed my hair. It is Monday, so it is wash the hair Monday. And I have nothing on my face. So far, what I feel like I have noticed is just plumper, brighter skin from using the boosters every day except one and doing the lifting routine. I feel like my cheeks look a little bit kind of plumper, more lifted. Overall, I feel like doing this kind of lifting routine makes me feel really good, I'm paying attention to my skin. I'm massaging the skin and lifting. So hopefully you guys are able to see some results here. So I'm going to do the lifting routine. I'll speed up everything, of course, so that you're not here with me for 5 additional minutes. So I hope you guys are having a lovely day wherever you guys are. And yeah, my nails are falling apart, so it's definitely time to do them all over again. This is on day 14 here, and usually what I will do as well, here I am talking on a tangent, is I will replace the nail as soon as it kind of falls off, but been a little lazy and I haven't done that. But this is what the nails look like on day, I would say even 14, maybe 16. So I'm really still loving the Dashing Diva nails here. So let's go ahead and do a lifting routine. Okay, so I have done the 5-minute lifting routine, and these are my results. This is quite possibly the first time I've done this during the day. So I'm not sure if I'm going to go in with more vitamin C or if I'm just going to apply a sunscreen. But these are the results I'm seeing right now. Just hydrated, balanced, plump skin, a lot brighter and a lot more luminous due to the activators or the boosters as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the second vlog here. Thank you all so much for the comments I received in my last vlog. So glad you guys are loving them. So I'll try to continue filming them throughout my week. I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your week. And also, before I guess end this, I would like to link my NuFace video up above in case I haven't linked it yet. Also, in case you missed it and would like to learn a little bit more about microcurrent. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye.